In manufacturing, timing is critical, and efficiency is non-negotiable. But too often, manufacturers rely on disconnected systems, tools that don't talk to each other, creating data islands and blind spots. NetSuite brings it all together. A unified platform built for manufacturers. From day one, it connects your operations into one smart, scalable system. Get full visibility into inventory, automate procurement, track production in real time, plan smarter with built-in financials and customer insights. With NetSuite, you move faster, reduce waste, and scale with confidence. NetSuite for manufacturing, built to move your business forward.